All right, so here's my daughter.
Today I'm going to be doing my mom's makeup. We have some of the stuff over here. The thing I'm most excited about is a lipstick.
Oh, we gotta pick lipstick still.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got some foundation, concealer. She's gonna do the whole 9. Got some really colorful eyeshadows. I don't know the look she's gonna give me. Here are some blushes, some bronzers, highlights. She's very excited, and so am I. We've been wanting to do this for a long time, so we just have to pick a lipstick or a lip gloss, and then we'll get started.
I'm going to pick a lipstick.
Okay.
I think I'm going to be doing this one. This is what it looks like. I think it will look nice on my mom. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the makeup, and I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. So Mama, which one's the eyeshadow brush? Is it this one?
Yeah, that one or the other one, doesn't matter.
Okay. It's pretty. Is it going to use a pink, these pinks up here, or these little teals? So I think I'm going to use, I'm going to use a little bit more gold. I dropped a brush. I'm going to use a little more gold on my mom, and then I'll see. Okay, now I'm going to go with a little pink. Actually, yeah, pink. I'm going to go with this pink here.
You want more eyeshadow? I'll hold it for you.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make it easier for her and hold it.
It's pretty.
Okay.
Let's move on to blush.
Okay. Are you sure you're done?
I think.
Okay.
Let me take a look. Pretty.
Okay, well you can't do blush until you do foundation.
Foundation time.
Okay, what are we using? Show them.
We're going to be using this one here and this sponge. Okay. And then do I need to do chin too?
All over the face.
Mama, what do you use to put your foundation on?
I use my fingertips and then sometimes I'll pat it with a sponge. Can't get my forehead and my nose.
Okay, now sponge.
Yeah, you want to wipe your you can wipe your fingers on there if you want. Okay. Right. Tap 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 tap.
Wait,
tap.
which side?
That one right there on the flat side. Tap 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 tap. Pop, 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 pop. You do this until all of it's blended in or blended out, however you say.
It looks like you have white skin. Did I put too much?
No, you just gotta blend it and keep blending and blending and blending until it's all melted into the skin.
Like all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, close your lips. And then Bo Boy is just sitting there like, Mama!
Hey, Bo.
Oh gosh, he's like pushing my body out of the way with his head. Like, Mama, I will save you. So we finished doing the foundation. Now we're gonna do concealer.
And then you use the sponge, but you use the pointy tip. Or you can use the flat side, doesn't matter. It's up to you.
Pointy.
Okay. Just don't jab my eyeball. And then it's the same thing as foundation. You want to just keep going until it's blended out.
Hi guys.
Oh, God!
Hi guys.
Be careful of the camera, Kristen.
Hi
Okay?
guys. So we've done the concealer
Well,
now.
she's having a little trouble blending this out, so I'm gonna help her out. Okay. So here's what everything looks like so far.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do the blush, and I'm gonna be using. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna use this brush, for the blush. And Mom, shouldn't you be on school right now?
No. He has a little bit of time before he goes online.
So, but I'm gonna show you all the colors.
You will.
We have this palette. We also have that palette. So I think I'm gonna be using
So he's gonna be done.
A little bit, so you're almost done.
this color
Just a little bit.
and
Which minute?
I don't know.
this color.
I don't have to go pee-pees.
Bless you.
Okay, so here's the blush. Okay, so we've done the blush now. I think it looks pretty good. And
Do you want to do the bronzer?
yes, I'm going to use this color right here.
And then, there you go. There you go. That's good. Perfect. Is it even? You think? Okay. And you can put some around the forehead. There you go. That's good. My nose.
Okay.
Okay.
Glow.
Do you want to put some highlight on my face like you did Daddy's last night? Okay. Ooh, I see it. Do you want to do eyeliner or anything?
Yes. The full.
Okay, there's an eyeliner.
Including contacts.
There's.
Black.
Do you want to do black? I also have green and I have blue
Can
and I
see
have
the
purple.
blue? Can I see the purple
All right,
one?
please hold.
So guys, I've decided to do black instead. So just go like.
Yeah, you can go on top of the eyelid or underneath the eyelid. We already did it on my hand to warm it up. Okay, so you want me to look down? Do you want me to look down or close my eyes? What do you want me to do?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Blew air on me.
Joking.
It's not like I can't like even
Okay,
see.
sorry.
I can't see it though. I can't see anything. It's like there's nothing on there. It's like there's nothing
Then
on
push
there.
a little harder.
I don't want your eye.
You're fine, you're fine. Do you want me to give you one that's a little bit easier to use?
Yes,
Can I
yes.
just go to
Yes, of course. This is the Bare Minerals. This is
Bad minerals.
this glides on a lot faster and easier.
Is
Okay.
it black?
Mhm.
Thingy right there.
You want to do a what thingy right there?
I
What is it called?
don't
You don't know what it's called? Mm-hmm. You want to do a wing?
raspberry.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. That looks like a good wing.
Mm-hmm. You want to fix it? You want to fix it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Like that?
How do you do a wing?
It's believe me, there are a lot of people right now that do makeup every day and still have trouble doing a wing. So it takes a lot of practice.
I'm gonna try. Is it like just a
Rest your hand on my face, and then you, like when you draw on a piece of paper, you want to just go slow. There you go. Other side. Put your your hand on my face. Now you want to do lips, or what else do you want to do?
contacts.
Okay, well I'll do the contacts at the end.
Can I choose the color contacts?
Yes, you can, but let's just do, you want to do my lips now? And this is Nubian's Zara.
Zara.
Okay. It tickles. It tickles so much right here. color.
Bright.
What's Sophia's hair?
Mama has to go.
Yes, I have to get my hair all
Oh my
done.
God.
All right, do you want to do anything else?
Contacts. Wait.
Oh,
wait.
okay, contacts.
Is there any other things in makeup?
I mean, there's always stuff, but you did foundation, concealer, blush, bronze, highlight, eyeliner. I already had lashes on, lips. So,
Where are the contacts?
okay, we're gonna pick out some contacts.
And I chose green contacts.
Tristan, what do you think of mommy's makeup? Okay, so let's get daddy in here.
Nice.
Get him closer.
I like the Elvira kind of look.
She had me put green contacts in.
Yeah.
Sophia, you did a good job, baby. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do.
Okay, what all am I looking for? I'm looking for just everything,
Just
right?
everything.
She did
She
everything.
did eyeshadow, eyeliner.
Oh, cool. Close your eyes. Did you do those 2 separate lines,
Yeah.
Sophia? Nice.
Yeah.
What?
I think
Am I gonna do on Daddy or you, Mom?
Sophia, you did a lot of good stuff on
Mom, who
her.
I am gonna do?
Me.
On me, I was your good practice run.
All right, so what do you have to say, Sophia?
Did you have fun, baby?
yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment and hit the notification.
And then let us know if you want to hire Sophia to do your makeup for any major event in your life, like a wedding, prom,
Halloween.
Halloween decorating.
Halloween.
I'm in like the wedding. I'll do like a black smoky eyes.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Bye.